In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you run a code on MySQL Workbench. Simple and easy. So you can see I have this code written here. This is for beginners. This is nothing complicated. Good. I'm going to show you guys how to run the code. So running the code on MySQL, you use these three features, these three ones. So I'm going to explain each one. Good. So let's start with the first one, the tender lighting here without any cursor. So with this one, it's used when you want to run a code that you've highlighted. So let's say I highlight this section and I want to run this. I tap on this rather. Good. And also if you want to run the whole code you've written whilst in the process, so let's say I'm at line 95. I just put my cursor here. When I tap on this, it's going to run everything on this page. Good. And then the second one here, for this one, where you place your cursor is where the code is going to run. So let's say I'm writing and I just scroll to the top and I put my cursor here and I tap on the run. It should run to that level. You get it? Yeah. So whilst you are working, you can just place your cursor anywhere and then do that. If you want to run the whole code, you come here and do that. And this one, when you're done with your full project, like your full script, this with the document is what you run. Let's say you're doing a backup, a restore, or something like that. This is what you use. So you use this less frequently when you are done with everything, and this most of the time when you are trying to work. So you just highlight like this, and then you run. Highlight and then you run. You highlight and you run, and you are then good to go. On how to run a code on MySQL Workbench, I think it's very much simple and easy. So if you have any question, you let me know. Starting to use MySQL, these two ones are very much complicated. Sometimes you'll be getting an error at your output and things. So if you keep getting an error here, maybe you've created a database, you've already used a database or something, just refresh at your schemas. Good. You see, this is the database I just created for the tutorial, so you just drop it. Right, just drop it. So after dropping it, you see I've dropped the database micro here, so everything is being cleared. So now you can select any section and then run it, or if you want to run the whole script, you just don't highlight anything, you tap on this to run the whole script. So that's it on how you run your codes on MySQL Workbench. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Just like I said, that's it for the video.